Yeah. Hello, love. Hello, my king. Hello, love. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Come on, come down. There's cockalocks. Cockalocks are eating. There's cockalocks. Where are they all this morning? The big morning crowd's not here. Only a small crowd. Well, that gives you an opportunity to get into it. You better hurry up, though. Come on, love. Come on, come down. You were down. Come on, love. Come on. Oh, well, there goes the cockalock's going to chase you off. You'll be chased off permanently in a minute. Where's the big crowd? Where's the 30 strong? I miss the 30 strong. Problem is, when you're around, you just drive everyone nuts. You cockalocks. There's another one. There's a crowd. One of the morning crowd. Uh-oh. Now it's done. It's done now. Done now. Done now. King's lost his breakfast. Oh well. That's it. That's it for you. No, I'll take that away.